What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below we are moving on to installment 4 of decluttering my makeup collection. If you can tell by the title, we are doing lip products and whatever else is in that thumbnail. I don't know. But yes, this is installment 4 of decluttering my lip products, or my makeup collection, sorry. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video because it's been a long one. I've been filming now for almost like 2 hours of decluttering my makeup collection, and it's been a lot to go through, and I still have more, and I doubt I'm gonna finish it tonight. I'll probably finish it later tomorrow night. But yeah, anyways, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in this video. Before we do that, you guys note the gist. If you like videos like this, give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who have many info, I'd love you guys to be a part of the hashtag Diva fam. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. But I do post videos 2 or 3 times a week. They are beauty, lifestyle, makeup videos, fashion, all that kind of stuff. And I'm also fitness and wellness. You guys can follow me on all my socials. I do post a lot over there, obviously on TikTok, but I also put them over here into YouTube Shorts as well. But yeah, I'm a part of a girl collab group here. We do makeup challenges every single month. I also do monthly giveaways. If I have any giveaways going on, I'll make sure I link them down below. But if you are just joining in the middle of my declutter, then for those of you who don't know, I actually do a giveaway at the end of my full makeup decluttering videos. Again, if you're in the middle, I will link all the other videos down below in the playlist. You guys can see my 2023 decluttering process, but I always do a giveaway at the end of it. And I'm so close to 900 subscribers. Don't know where I'm at right now at the moment when this video goes up, but if we were that, anyways, all giveaways will be linked down below for you guys to enter into. And I just had one that recently just ended, so I need to pick the winner for that. It just ended like yesterday or today, something like that. But yeah. Let's just go ahead and jump into this video. I've rambled on enough. This is taking me forever. Obviously, it's very late at night. It's like 1:30 in the morning, and I started doing this at like 11:30, so we're already 2 hours into this, and I'm nowhere near being done. And obviously, no makeup on my face. My hair, though, is curled because I did like a treatment on it earlier, and I wanted to see. It smells really good, though, right now. Anyways, so jump into this. So lip products, I honestly kind of already went ahead and did this one just a little bit, because I was too impatient to do this one on camera, and this one takes forever, but there are a lot of lip products that are in here that I just was not keen on and unsure if I can give them away or if I should just throw them away. So they're sitting in this bag right now. There's a lot. I think there is a total of, let me grab my my trash bag over here. There is a total of, let's just see. Sorry, there's a random sticker on that. This is, I remember opening this, and now I'm kind of mad that I did. I didn't even really use it. This was by Wander Beauty. It was a lip treatment oil, but it's like, it's really goopy, and it was disgusting. This is a Laura Lee lipstick, and I know I've had it for like God knows how long. Same thing with this Laura Lee one, so I was getting rid of that. Then I've had this one since the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collaboration, and it doesn't even smell like Sprite anymore or Mountain Dew or whatever it's supposed to smell like. I had these other ones from an indie brand, but I don't feel really good about giving away lip products I know that I've like touched, or that I know that are probably bad. And so, yeah, I'm just not about that. So all of these products I'm getting rid of. Again, another random lip oil thing that I probably should have never opened up, but it's like weird. I don't know. It doesn't even look like a lip oil or whatever it's supposed to be. Serum Balm. That's what that says it is. More lifter gloss I decided to get rid of. A Rare Beauty, like, little thing. I mean, this one I barely used. I know that's for sure. I know I did swatch it a little bit, but I just don't feel comfortable with some of these lip products giving them away if I know that I've like used them, you know what I mean? Again, this is another like Fenty balm, gloss balm. This is like almost dried up, so that's why I was getting rid of that one. This one was the Kathleen Lights ColourPop collaboration, and this has just been in my collection for God knows how long. But the embossing though, can you guys see that? Like the little stars. They're so pretty, but again, that's just a nude lipstick that I just can't get with. This shade I'm just not a fan of. This other one by e.l.f. This is just that really, really dark berry shade. Not a fan of it. I think I bought it to try it, but the other ones in this range are really great. I do really love this because it's a hydrating core lip shine. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the Makeup by Mario ones. But the shade's just, it's just not it. Like even if I swatch it, it's just, I don't know. It's like purple. Like I don't get who wants their lips to look like that. Like it's just not my shade. It's not for me. Okay. And then there's this Gerard Cosmetics one that I know that's just been in my collection for like a long time. Although it is extremely a stunning shade. But it's also just really drying on the lips. And I'm just not about any of like the like super, super dry, you know, lip products. Although, oh, this shade. Okay, maybe I might keep this one. I might. We're going to see about that. We'll come back to it. There are some other stuff though I knew that I've thrown in here, like this bag that I found. There are some other ones that I know that aren't opened at all either that are in here. That I keep to the side. So there's that. So again, yeah, I went through all of these already and decluttered a decent amount, like I said, in here. But it could always be like, I can always do a looky-loo, you know, and always a once over. Okay. What else is in here? So I have a few of these like Jeffree Star ones that like I got from his bundles, but I know I didn't use. So I might try and pass that on and see what happens with that. We all remember these, right? But do they actually really moisturize, and what are the ingredients in them? Seed oil, beeswax. Like, are these just the ones for like kids, or can adults still use these? Because, you know, just saying. But I'm saying, okay, for a friend. Can we still use those? This like super dark purple one. My sister got this for me. Thank you. But like, oh, this is like too dark of a shade for me. Too dark of a shade for me. So I think this might be better in someone else's hands than mine. I'm going to put that into the giveaway pile up here because it's unopened as well. And then again, there's a few other products that are down here that I've yet to open. I love the packaging though on these. What else do I have down here? This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills. Have I not opened this? No, I have not. It's like a super dark nudie brown. But I feel like I have enough of them that are like this in my collection that are this shade. Like, that's what it looks like. I mean, it is kind of stunning. She might have to stay. She might go into my collection. It's a really pretty red. It's Clinique. I might have to put that over there. Sometimes I put this stuff over here though too, in case of like family members or friends that come over and I'm like, oh yeah, here, let me give you this. Let me give you that. Dr. Pepper. Okay. So I do keep some of these products on purpose to give away to family members or friends. So, what is this one? Is this a Morphe shade? I don't want to like biff them by trying to take the caps off, and the caps don't want to come off, and I literally just did what I didn't want to do. I nicked it. Yeah, so where's that? Just like a nudie pink lip crayon that I just nicked on the top of it. What's this? Jeffree Star in whatever shade that is. What is that? In Gargoyle. I remember that. I remember that. But, it's an interesting shade. Very interesting shade. Then we have this one from the Villains collection. This very, very beautiful red shade. There's that. And that. See, now that I'm going back over this all over again, like, I know I'm finding shades and stuff. Like, I don't think I've ever used this one. Can you see that? Like, that is clean as clean can be. And this is in the shade Courage. It's like that weird moussey texture. And although it's not supposed to be like drying, like I'm looking at that shade on my hand, I'm like, not my vibe. So there's that. Then I also have these two guys, which I know, two girls, which I know probably well, this one kind of. You can see in the inside that it's kind of messy, but I don't remember using these that often. And that's like super dark too, like, gonna be honest, I don't remember some of these. I don't at all. Okay. Then there's a red shade that, again, I don't remember barely using. But apparently I've dipped in there a few times. It looks like a bright red. Okay, I might keep that one. That's cute. I do like that one. But some of these darker tones, I'm like, nope, I can't do it. Okay. Okay. There's that. I've got two lip scrubs that are in here. I don't know if these are even still good. Okay, this is a lip mask. I lied. This is a cute little like lip mask. I know it's supposed to be... Who is this by? Oh, Ciate. Still brand new, still in the packaging. Let's go ahead and put this over here for my girlies. This box is getting full. This is the Jeffree Star lip scrub. I wonder if it's even still good. Curious. Still smells good. But I think it's really hard. So RIP this. And we're gonna get rid of it. Oh my god, if I could even get the lid on. So this is something actually I might have to throw away. So that sucks. Guess I should have used it when I got it. But I didn't think about it, did I? Not at all. I might have just wasted that one because it has shit all over it. Anyways. Get that off my hands. Okay. I think we've gone through this enough. Oh, you know what? That's brand new. That hasn't even been used. That needs to go somewhere over here. Lip oil, Elf lip scrub, beautiful. This lip oil, I'm sorry, this lip gloss by Lunar Beauty in Dreamy. What is this? I used this the other day for the first time. And it doesn't even feel like a sticky gloss. It just glides on almost like an oil. I was blown away. Blown away. What time is it? Okay, it's 2 o'clock. I have these other ones that came in the lip kit from Give Beauty by, oh my god, Gwen Stefani. These little lip tubes. One is a matte, and the other one is like more of like a, I forget what it is. The original, this one's a shine, and this one is the matte. And then this one is also in the original recipe that goes with this. I'm going to keep the two red lipsticks. And I'm going to be honest, I like the... It's more like a mauve-y red though. I think I still have to try these. So I'm going to keep those. I'm going to pass this one along, which is the matte liquid lip by Give. So we're going to pass that along. And then my Charlotte Tilbury ones are just staying down here. So I bought this and I used it once and it was not the shade I thought it was going to be. Cherry Glaze by Profusion. It was not a cherry. This is not red. This is not red. It looks red on camera, but it's not. It's more like a muted like pink. So that's gonna go. I don't want that. So but my lip oil and my lip scrub can go over here. And I think that's everything I'm willing to sacrifice so far from this collection. Although I am really wanting some type of lip oil on my lips right now. And we're gonna put this one on. Like, why do I buy these nude shades? Is it just to do that whole trend thing with the lip liner shenanigans? I don't know. Okay, that is everything for the lip collection. I don't think we're gonna get into the rest of this because I don't have time. I need to go to bed. So we will continue and come back again, dress differently probably, and that will be part 5, 6, and maybe 7, and then we'll be at the end. But as of right now, I have a whole box full of stuff that is brand new, only swatched, barely used, kind of shenanigans in here. And I will probably end up filling up a whole nother box. So that is crazy in and of itself. Nuts as nuts can be. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much for being here. So again, you guys know the gist. Also, before we do this, if you guys have tried out any of these products, if you guys have seen anything into my collection, let me know in your comments down below. I want to know what you guys love, what you guys don't love. Maybe we have the same, you know, likes and differences when it comes to certain products, especially the ones I already told you that I was throwing away. And that was just crazy enough, how many of those are in there. So yeah, that is the end of this video. So thank you guys again for being here. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps me so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl, Senior D. And I'll see you in the next one. And again, don't forget to check out all my other social medias. TikTok, Instagram, that's where I'm at besides YouTube. So again, love you guys so much and bye.